In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find project URL key in Supabase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to locate your project URL in the dashboard and how to copy it for use in your app, plus where the related API settings live so you can connect safely and confidently. Start by opening the Supabase dashboard in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, head to the projects area. If you already have a project, you're set. If not, you can create a new one here and then continue. After your project appears in the list, click the project to open its workspace. This takes you to the main overview for that specific project. On the left sidebar, find and open project settings. This is where Supabase keeps all the configuration details that your application will need. Within project settings, go to the API section. You'll see a data API area that summarizes the endpoints and connection details for your project. Look for the field labeled project URL or simply URL. This is the base URL your application uses to talk to your Supabase project. It's the value you'll reference when initializing the Supabase client in your code. To make things easy, there's a copy button next to it. Click the copy icon to place that URL on your clipboard. A quick tip: keep this handy in your development notes or environment variables so you don't have to dig for it later. Most projects store it in an environment variable typically named something like Supabase URL. While you're still in the API section, you can also switch to the API Keys tab. This is where the project's keys are listed and where you can copy them when you need to wire up authentication in your app. Use the copy button next to the key you need and store it securely, such as in a .env file or a secrets manager, and never commit it to source control. Treat these keys like passwords, share them only with teammates who require access, and rotate them if you suspect they've been exposed. To recap, open your project, go to Project Settings, then API, and find the project URL in the Data API area. Use the copy icon to grab it, and then, if needed, visit the API Keys tab to copy the appropriate key. With the project URL and your key configured in your app, you're ready to initialize the client and start making requests to your Supabase backend. That's all you need to reliably find and copy your Supabase project URL and related API details.